What if we told you that chickens are living dinosaurs? It's true! Chickens share surprising genetic links with one of the fiercest predators ever, Tyrannosaurus rex. Scientists confirmed this through preserved collagen in a 68-million-year-old T-Rex fossil. It turns out birds didn't just survive the dinosaur extinction, they evolved from them. So, next time a chicken clucks at you, just remember, you're staring into the eyes of dino royalty. From Jurassic Park to your barnyard, chickens are living fossils with a wild past. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing poultry facts.